What's up, everybody? We're gonna talk a little today about the Trump MAGA coin 47. The Trump MAGA 47 is a meme coin available on Uniswap. And right here, it looks like if you, all right, early adopters get a bonus of 10,000 additional tokens. All you got to do is send an email to cs@TrumpMagaCoin.com. All right, so basically, I'm going to give you guys a little tutorial on how to purchase the Trump MAGA coin or Trump MAGA 47 coin for those people that don't understand or don't know how to use MetaMask or don't know how to use Uniswap. So what you're going to do is go to Google, type in MetaMask, and go to their website, which is metamask.io. From here, you're going to see a download button. I don't see that button because I already have it downloaded. And what it is it's an extension on Chrome. Now, you can also download it on your mobile phone. They have an app on the Play Store or on the Apple Store as well. And then you're also going to want to download the Uniswap app and connect your MetaMask to the Uniswap app if you're on your mobile. If you're on your phone, or I'm sorry, if you're on your PC or Mac, it's going to be an extension right here on Chrome. So what you're going to do is go over here to uniswap.org, open that up, or click the extensions, and here you'll see MetaMask. You click that, and make sure that you save your passphrase, which is 12 words. Also, make sure that you save your secret key. Those two things are extremely important. If you ever want to transfer your wallet from one device to another, you absolutely need your passphrase as well as your secret key. If you lose that information, your crypto is gone forever. So make sure that you keep that information somewhere. Write it down on a piece of paper, email it to yourself. I don't know if that's such a good idea if somebody hacks your email, but nonetheless, save it somewhere. Wherever you think is secure, that's where you need to save it. So from here, what you want to do is on Uniswap, click Launch App. And then I'm already connected to this site, but nonetheless, over here, there's normally a button that says Connect. And so what you're going to do is connect your wallet to Uniswap. And on mobile, it's a little bit different. You do have to put in your secret key or your passphrase in order to connect the two. On Chrome or PC, over here you click Connect, and there you go. And then there's another option here. On MetaMask, you can see if you click the little three dots, you can see connected sites. I can connect or disconnect right here. All right, so either way, just get your wallet connected. And if you don't already have some ETH or Ethereum, right, so you can click tokens. And I don't have a whole lot in this particular account, but nonetheless, this is just for tutorial purposes. You can buy some Ethereum in order to swap it for whatever coin that you want. In this instance, what we're looking at is the Trump MAGA 47 coin. So from here, you can either click that buy button, or once you've connected on uniswap.org, you see a buy button here as well. And if you click that, you pick the amount or just type in whatever amount that you want. Click continue, and it's going to take you to your payment options, credit card, and so on and so forth. All right, so once you have some Ethereum, you can go ahead and swap Ethereum for the Trump MAGA 47 coin. So you're going to click select token, and currently you can't just type in the name of the Trump MAGA 47 because it's brand new, just was released a few days ago. So what you have to do is go over to TrumpMAGA47.com, and then this is the top of the page. Scroll down a bit, and you'll see how to buy using ETH, which is Ethereum. Download and install the MetaMask, connect it to Uniswap, etc. So go ahead and read that over when you get a chance. But here's the contract address. So what you're going to do is copy this contract address. All right, so you got that. And then go back over here. Okay, and you're hitting select token, and you're going to paste that contract address. All right, and there it is, Trump MAGA47. Now, for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and max it, but you can put whatever amount that you want, you know. So this is your balance in Ethereum that's right here. And it doesn't tell you what that equals in US dollar, but you can see what it equals in US dollar over here. So 0.244, I'm sorry, 0.0244 equals $61 US dollar. All right, so I'm going to go with, let's say 0.1 or 0.01 is what I want to purchase. And the gas fee shows up right here. It's $14. That's going to give me 7,315.85 Trump MAGA47 coins. And I already have a balance of 116,030 Trump MAGA coins, because I've purchased that previously. So, all right, your gas fee, just so you understand, the gas fee is irrelevant. It says $14.37. Doesn't matter if I go 0.2, and it actually went down. All right, has nothing to do with how many coins that you purchase. It has to do with what the network is charging at the moment. It's completely irrelevant to the amount of coins that you're purchasing. Okay, so I can purchase 7,300 Trump MAGA coins, or I can purchase 14,000 coins, and the gas fee, it just is what it is. Nothing you can do about that. Typically, it's around $5, but I've seen it as high as $35, $40. So sometimes you just got to wait. You know, sometimes you just come back in an hour or even 20 minutes, and that number has completely changed at that point. So for me, I'm going to go ahead and do I'm going to do 1.5. All right, so I'm going to get 10,905.7 Trump MAGA coins with a $14.37 gas fee. However, that changes literally every second as well. So hit the swap button, confirm, and let's see what it says. All right, gas is $19. All right, and over there it said 15. And now it's saying I don't even have enough in Ethereum to purchase that, which is nonsense because it said that I have $60. So let's cancel that, and let me double check. Let's see. So it says, yeah, I have $61 in ETH. So I should be fine. So let's maybe just bring this down to 0.1 just for this tutorial anyways. And let's try it again. Okay. So now it's good to go. It says confirm. Gas is $17. In total, it's going to cost me $42 to purchase that amount of coins. All right, and I can either confirm or reject. If I don't want to pay that $16 gas fee, I just hit reject. Go back over here. So I'm purchasing $25 worth of the Trump MAGA coin. And let's try this just to have fun, because it looks like the gas fee actually just went down a little bit. So now I'm going to put it at 1.2, which is $30 worth of the Trump MAGA coin. So that's going to go up a little bit. Let's confirm that and just see what happens. All right, so gas is $16. It's a little bit down. I can go ahead and hit the confirm button, or I can wait, because like I said, typically that's going to be around $5 as a gas fee. 16 is honestly pretty high, and the reason is just today alone, the Ethereum coin has gone up a little over 3.5%. So I'm sure that's the reason. Nonetheless, we're going to go ahead and confirm this, at least for this tutorial. And it might ultimately end up being less, okay? So we just have to wait a minute. We submitted it. And you just got to give it a second. So over here, you can see it says pending. So just wait. I don't know. It's usually about 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, swap success. There it goes. Okay, now you can view it on the blockchain if you so wish to do so. As you can see here, it says success, transaction hash, so on and so forth. Gives you all the details if you're interested in any of that. If not, don't worry about that. You can go ahead and close this. And so now, if you remember, I had 116,000, and now you can see my balance is 124,000. So we'll go ahead and confirm that also. In the extension app, you click on tokens, and sure enough, right here, 124,000, same number as you get right here. Now, if you don't already have the token installed or imported on your MetaMask account, let me show you how to do that real quick. What you're going to do again is go to TrumpMaga47.com, copy this address, and then you're going to go over here to your MetaMask, open that up, and you scroll down to the very bottom where it says import tokens. This part is very important. Import tokens, and don't do search, click on custom token, and then you paste in the contract address. Now, this token has already been added, obviously, but otherwise, if it has not been added, it'll pop up right here, and then you click import, done. Very, very simple. Okay, so now I have 124,787 Trump MAGA47 coins. It does not currently show the price, but it will as soon as it's updated on CoinGecko and CoinMarketCap. So anyways, that is the tutorial. Super simple to do, user-friendly, very easy, not complicated at all. Give it a try. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments, and I will gladly answer them. See ya.